fixing the microphone. Let's go take a road trip. Is this mic working? GoPro problems this morning. There's a dog. Just go get her fired up. Go to work. Come on. Up. Dropping everything. Got my coffee. Got the wet wipes in case my hands get dirty. Because where we are going, we're probably going to get dirty. Got the old Dodge out here warming up. Should be nice and toasty time we get in there. This thing is nasty. These new tires we put on it was not a good idea there. Come in. A little road trip action today. Up here in Lebanon, Tennessee. Lebanon. Got to turn in one of our lease trailers today, and then go to Nashville and pick up one of our new trailers. I don't have to be involved in this process, but I haven't seen our new trailers yet, and we haven't seen my new trailers I bought. Spent $100,000. Well, 97,000 some change. Don't even know what we got, but swing by there and look at them, and put some trailer numbers on them, and that way the next two drivers will be ready to come in and drop theirs and shoot over there and pick up their new one and carry on with themselves. So just take your time there, girlfriend. No big deal. So yep, the rental ones come back over here. The place actually, I think, in Nashville, but I don't know. It's all confusing and Greek to me. I got a bunch of them sitting back there. So we're going to give them one more today. But I want to be involved in this first process of turning it back in. See how they do. And how bad we get taken for a ride. Hopefully they don't take us for a ride. We only used it for a month. This is the one we put the new brakes on, so we know the brakes are good. They're brand new, and we couldn't use that much tire wear in the month that we had it. So we're going to find out. We're going to find out. I don't know where to go. I'm going to probably go check in with these people and ask before the driver gets here. The driver's probably about 15 minutes out. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so we just got that one dropped off. Nice, smooth, easy process. Go back here and see what Mick's doing. I'm paying this guy by the hour there. Come on. Not paying him at all, actually. Actually, I am paying him well. Paid him well, man. So that's him right there in that big W9. Oh yeah, here we go. Where we go? We're rolling now, baby. We're rolling now. I got you on camera there, Mick. Alright, so now we're going to go to downtown Nashville and get our other wagon, our brand new wagon. Put some decals on it. So we will see you over there. We got, I can't see that GPS, 32 miles. 32-mile deadhead bobtail run. Okay, see ya. I keep forgetting to get the camera out. Doggone it. We got this one hooked up and got the trailer numbers on it. And now he's ready to go. I'll give y'all a quick look at his ride with the new wagon. And no, it does not have the Bluetooth airlines. Well, there you go. Nice little trailer to get her done. See you, Mick. Thanks for all your help, bud. See you on the next journey, my man. You worry about the tail swing hitting that trailer, but he got plenty of room. Alright, so here's what the new trailers look like. This one's kind of pulled out by itself. They got the trailer number on there, 2203. That's the blue. This sticker right here will come off whenever the driver hooks up to it. I want to leave it on there now because it makes it easy for identification. But I had a Hyundai composite sticker right there. I peeled it off. Here it looks like one of these right here. So yeah, I didn't want that on there. See that? I peeled them all off on all the trailers. I should peel all these off too. I'm gonna leave that on there so somebody takes off with it. And I got this side done. I'll leave the sticker on there just for. Well, anyway, they're not bad. Everything's galvanized. All the cross members are galvanized. Landing gear is galvanized. It's got those hideous trailer blades on there. So, but she's nice. Got the Continental rubber, air slide. Even the slider wheel's galvanized. Look at that. So, drum brakes. But yeah, air auto inflation, air slide, air ride. Got the dock lock on that bar there. It comes down, keeps the, if I'm bouncing so bad when the forklift driver comes in out of it. Galvanized DOT bumper. So everything is galvanized. And here's the inside. It's just a plated composite van. You got the insurance ticket up there when the driver comes. And I used mailbox letters for the inside trailer number. That makes it easy for the forklift to see on the dock because the lights light up and reflect and they're pretty durable. So it needs a sealer, though it's just raw wood, it needs a sealer put on there. It's already had one load on it because it came from San Francisco or San Diego, and they load them out, and so it needed that's just raw oak. It needs a sealer on it. You know, this will be the last time we ever see these things. I gotta take that trailer number and stick it right here. I was waiting on the like, where's the heat gun? I needed that a while ago. Holy smokes. I've been having to peel these stickers off in the cold because it had a Hyundai composite sticker on there as well. Which I got all stuck on there. So there you go. So we're gonna put the trailer number on the back door, close her up. 1, 2, 3, 5 hinges. These will work pretty good to throw behind the driver. This will be the last time we ever see them. But I figured after spending $97,000 for 3 of them, I'll come here and take a look at them. You know what I mean? So there you go. I came and looked at them. I got the trailer number on there. Now we're going to route them through Thunder Graphics, and it'll have the big GT, kind of like right here. See this? The GT. That's the new logo. It'll have that GT on there, right there, and then it'll have Ghorley Trucking right there, and on the back doors as well. And I might even have them put a big GT on the front, and they'll get all that done at Thunder Graphics. So there you go, guys. There's our new Hyundai trailers, all galvanized. So we shouldn't have to worry about them rusting out. All right, see ya. I'm almost home now, man. It's a road trip. I've been on the phone just non-stop. That's why I brought my Blue Parrot headset with me, because I knew it'd be a phone day. Trying to get out of the office. You can't get away from that phone, though. So anyway, we wouldn't have got caught in this Chattanooga traffic. We stopped at that Outpost Armory down there, the gun store right across that. Love's there in Christiana, Tennessee. Love that little shop there. We got a pretty good selection. But anyway, we are almost home. So I was pleased with the quality of trailer that I got, and the level of service from those guys. Man, I'll put a link there in the bottom for you guys need trailers. They got flatbeds, reefers, dry vans, Mack dumps. They got all kinds of trailers there. I don't know what all. I guess they sell all of them. They had the Fontaine 53-foot spread flatbeds. I need to see if they rent those or sell them. But good looking trailers, man. They had all kinds of trailers. The Mack dumps. They had all kinds of stuff. They even have a big selection of trucks, hoods, Peterbilts, and W9s, and it's some nice looking trucks there. I should have shot some video of it. Maybe we'll go back up there one day. I'll give you guys a link down there for David. If y'all need a trailer, man, y'all call David and tell him Tim Ghorley said hello. I don't get anything out of it, but you know, he's a great guy, and he'll hook you up. I'm almost home now, man. It's a road trip. I've been on the phone just non-stop. That's why I brought my blue Parrot headset with me, because I knew it'd be a phone day. Trying to get out of the office. You can't get away from that phone, though. So anyway, we wouldn't have got caught in this Chattanooga traffic, but we stopped at that Outpost Armory down there, gun store right across that. Love's there in Christiana, Tennessee. Love that little shop there. We got a pretty good selection. But anyway, we are almost home. So I was pleased with the quality of trailer that I got, and the level of service from those guys. Man, I'll put a link there in the bottom for you guys need any trailers. They got flatbeds, reefers, dry vans, Mack dumps. They got all kinds of trailers there. I don't know what all. I guess they sell all of them. They had the Fontaine 53-foot spread flatbeds. I need to see if they rent those or sell them. But good looking trailers, man. They had all kinds of trailers. The Mack dumps. They had all kinds of stuff. They even have a big selection of trucks, hoods, Peterbilts, and W9s, and it's some nice looking trucks there. I should have shot some video of it. Maybe we'll go back up there one day. I'll give you guys a link down there for David. If y'all need a trailer, man, y'all call David and tell him Tim Ghorley said hello. I don't get anything out of it, but you know, he's a great guy, and he'll hook you up.
I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on.